Hi, I'm Brenda and this is Sublimation with Ceramicraft. If you truly want to succeed in sublimation, then what you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. We'll keep you up to date with everything that there is going on in sublimation, new products and new techniques. Let's see what's next. We've done a design. I'm going to turn it around this way. It's reversed. That is because we're putting it face down onto the blank and we need it to be the right way up when it's pressed. So I place that on top. I've got this is polyester fabric, so I've got the heat press set to 180 degrees for 60 seconds, and I'm going to apply some light pressure using the bottom element from the mini vacuum press. So away we go. I'm going to place that on and press the button. I'm applying a little bit of pressure and it'll go for 60 seconds. I'm going to hold the side of the transfer so it doesn't move and pop the iron back in there. I'm going to peel that back just to take a peek and we have a really good press. By holding the side of the paper, if you need to go for just a little bit longer, it'll allow you to put the press back down, the transfer back down where it was in the first place to minimise any kind of shadowing. But that is so cute. That attaches with a zip on the inside of the pocket and then it's ready for school.